Alright, we got 2 new kitties. Yes, Percy? Really? You want this video to be about you? No, you're the sweetest. But I want to say hi to the new kitties. Hi, Zoe. Oh, baby girl. Can I pet Zoe? Is it okay? It's okay. Is it okay if I pet you? Yeah, see? You want to sniff me though? Sniff me? See? Friend. Yeah. Oh, you poor girl. I know it's scary in here. There's a lot of scary new kitties. We have the clique who likes to judge everybody, but they're just judgmental. They're not going to hurt you. They'll just glare at you. They don't like the newbies, but they're not going to hurt the newbies. Well, except emotionally, maybe. Yeah. You're okay, see? Chin scratches? Oh, good girl. Good baby. Oh, you got a little heart freckle. You have a little heart freckle. Sort of. Percy, I will pet you soon. Yes, sir? What are you doing? Good boy. Good girl. See? You're safe here. About to scratch the top of your head. Oh my goodness, Percy. Look at this man. Oh, sorry.